everybody. Welcome to another edition of Within the Pixels. My name is Bert Blevins, and what we're going to be doing today is looking at an approval workflow. Let's get right to it. So come in here, we're going to come into this sync account here. Wade, a regular user is. So Wade is going to access this account here. He's going to request access to it. And so by doing this, he's going to say, I need it for 4 hours. And he's going to say, I need it for a demo. So he's going to submit the request, and then what we're going to do is we're going to come over to the admin. This also is emailed to the particular user. So we're going to come over here and we're going to refresh this, and we'll see that we do have a there it is. All right, there's our demo request. So we're going to take a look at the details of it and click approve. And then we're going to say view full request here. And then say instead of 4 hours, we're just going to say maybe he just needs it for 1 hour. And we're going to say yes for a demo. And scroll on down here and click approve. So come back over to Wade. And now we'll see the access for this particular secret has been granted. All right, and that concludes this particular demo. Thank you for watching.